Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me trying to do day 20 of the Leetcode JavaScript challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. It's 2700 differences between two objects. So write a function that accepts two deeply nested objects. Okay, so we've done that a couple of times and compared the properties of and identify any changes. The return object should contain a key where you change key, the value should be represented as an array. Key that exists in one but now should not be included. Keys. Okay, I see. I have to reread it again because basically the value is different. That's fine. And then for each changed key, but like I read that initially as each key that changed, not for each key value that changed, which is kind of a little bit of a yeah, like imprecision. Sorry. So right now I'm in Georgia and I'm in Batumi by the Black Sea. And I kind of have a lot of scratches and it's kind of been itching a little bit. So anyway, okay. Yeah, that's fine. So for each object in object 1, we want to see if the values changed in object 2. So that seems pretty simple enough, to be frank. Or, well, conceptually, because it's just recursion. And it seems easier, or at least hopefully implementationally more straightforward to do than yesterday's. Or I did it like just before this, not gonna lie, was a mess. So hopefully this one, it's a little bit less of a mess. So yeah, so let's just say we have R for return, right? And then now we have a helper function, right? So now we just, do I have to use the notation of the, oh no, we maybe I'm a little bit wrong on it. We'll see what happens. But oh, I see. So we're not using the dot notations. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to see a little bit. Trying to think what's the best way to do it is, I mean, so we have something like this, right? Okay, I see. And then now we have if object 1 is equal to no, an empty thing, otherwise we return something like that, right? Same thing. This is, I think I wrote similar code in one of the other ones, but right. Okay, and then at the very end, if this is not equal to object 2, then we return the difference and so forth. Okay, right, and then now if this is an object, type I think next door is starting construction, so if it's a little bit messy, my apologies. And we can do this way for arrays because arrays just have the indexes as the keys anyways, right? So then now we have like object.keys maybe, I forget. Okay, right. So then now we do a get diff on this. So now this is the diff, right? My hands are like not 100% in the right place or something. I don't know. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, so if this is if it's 0, we can continue maybe. Otherwise, maybe something like this instead. Otherwise, we want current.push. We want an object of, how did I just write like this? I don't. I actually don't know the notation a little bit, but yeah, maybe he's of I. I may be a little bit off on this one, to be honest, or maybe a lot off, really. Maybe I didn't really need it. I kind of, oh, well, whatever. Unexpected token. Oh. Don't quite know what that means. Maybe it could be. Maybe something like this. Also, maybe it shouldn't be a push. I don't know. Okay, so actually we got pretty close. I don't know. I mean, there were some minor things which we can maybe fix. Apparently setting a singer to no. So the no stuff is a little bit whatever, but yeah, so we can ignore if they're in one or not the other, which I didn't handle, but that's actually easy fix, right? So we just have to do something like if object1 has keys I. If this is not the case, or object2 has keys I. Is it not has? I forget what it is. Maybe has is something else, but I forgot. JavaScript has key object. Oh, is it in? Maybe I'm mixing up languages, which is probably true. I don't know the order of operation of this. Okay, I mean, got this one right. What is this one for? We don't handle arrays that well. This is a funky one. Why is this different? I mean, this is just returning empty objects for some reason, but so diff is different. If they're the same, we should not return anything. No, but it returns this. Oh, but then it goes down here for whatever reason, and then returns this one. If that's not quite right. It basically is comparing these two things, but which is an empty object. In the index, right? That's a tricky one. Do I have? Because it should return this, but then it doesn't, right? Because it's I mean, that one we could look into in a bit. Well, we don't even print here, so we don't get here that far. Where do we return empty? Is it no? Okay, so we do comparison between these two things, but maybe because it's an object. Oh yeah, I mean it is an object. To no keys. Okay, maybe if keys done. Still no Gucci. Okay, I guess if this is if keys is but then now this is. I thought if. I thought this would fix it, but maybe I didn't have that earlier. Okay. It's not current.length, it is current.keys.length or something like this. That's maybe why. I thought I could use this as a shorthand, but clearly I was wrong. Okay, so then I could do something like Huh. Oh. What? What is that supposed to return? Just an emptiness? Okay, basically, okay. That's really awkward though. Okay, I mean we fixed that one at least, but it still feels awkward. Okay, so this one. So why is it different? Oh, because B is not in 1, but A is different. Because it tries to go find B, it cannot find B. Not to mention that I probably screw up arrays and objects comparison. I mean, we had one earlier with that same thing, right? But no, I did fix this one somehow. But okay. So we need to check that the types are different. Maybe. Okay. So what's it doing here? So it goes recursively goes to A, right? And then now we're comparing this object and this array. It looks at B. B does not find anything. That's why we return 0. Okay, yeah. I mean, I just need to handle arrays, to be honest, and we do not. Right, well, to be honest, not gonna lie, I'm a little bit lazy. I'm gonna let them give me the wrong answer. I know that there's gonna be a wrong answer somewhere. Oh, huh. I actually thought that there's some weird wrong answer with respect to arrays. Because I think I would give maybe I guess now that I added this I was maybe I fixed it, but because I was thinking maybe something like I don't know, something like this, and then this, like this was the first I think that fixed it maybe. Oops. Because I think this was like the wrong answer for a couple of days ago, right? But maybe, yeah, because now they're not the same array type, it fixes it. Anyway, let me show the code real quick. But I mean, I'm not super proud of it anyway. Yeah, let me know what you think. That's all I have. I'm tired. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.